Welcome to Module CI, where I is for impact. What we are doing in this module is framing out what happens to our important crops when these different climate hazards occur. The key to this is that we've put our thresholds in C-. We come to our first column, which is in a non-event year. So what would we yield for wheat in pre-Kharif season if it was a non-event year for rainfall intensity? Let's just say 5. Then what happens in a mild event year where there's 50 millimeters in one event, 60 in a moderate, 70 in a significant, and 90 in a catastrophic? So we would expect usually that each time the yield will drop off a little bit. So what this will do is, for the various crop combinations that you have, we want to understand in these different types of years, what is the yield in tonnes per hectare. Now, the important thing here is that we're talking about the average yield across that production area. So you may have to start to think, well, in a moderate year, all of the lowlands will be hit by a flood, but all of the highlands won't. So you can't take just the yield of the lowlands or the highlands, but you have to think across the whole production domain, what would the average yield be in those types of years? We also then, of course, have our data sources, our notes and our certainty. So please remember to use them to add a stronger narrative to the data that you're putting in.